ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So it is a direct question here. Option D, that is 180 degree ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. D, Gautam is correct. It is Krish, Gautam, Ahmed, Spandana. Option D is correct. That is 180 degree. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So it is a direct question from your theory. Option D. Let us go for the next question. So again, this is based on the theory here. You can read. Pick out the statement which is incorrect. So, ಯಾವ statement ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ incorrect ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The electric field lines forms closed loop. Option B, field lines never intersect. Option C, the tangent drawn to the line of force represents the direction of the electric field. Option D, a negative test charge experiences a force opposite to the direction of the electric field. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ statement wrong ಇದೆ? So see, you have studied the properties of the electric field lines. ಹೌದಾ? So electric field lines properties ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? That is, the electric field lines are starting from the positive terminal and ending at the negative terminal. ಹೌದಾ? That is the first property. Second property, if it is only one single charge, one single isolated charge ಇದ್ದಾಗ, so suppose if you have one single positive charge, the field lines will be outward in direction. Yes. Suppose if you have the negative charge, the field lines will be inward in direction. Second property. Third property, that is, if you have the system of the charges, it will start from positive and it will end at the negative charge. Yes, it starts from positive charge and it will end at the negative charge. How that? The next, for example, if you draw the tangent to this surface, this will tell the direction of the force. One more property, the electric field lines never intersect with each other. Yes, so you'll ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ which is wrong statement they are asking. See, option A, electric field lines are the closed loop ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್, ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? So it is not like positive will start agi negative ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ positive ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No, this is not there. Only we have from positive it will start and terminate at the negative. So it is not a closed loop. Closed loop ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದದೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So option A. So this is not correct. That is, electric field lines forms the closed loop. That is the wrong answer. Yes, option A. Everybody is telling. Yes. Next question. Two spheres carrying charges plus 6 microcoulomb and plus 9 microcoulomb separated by a distance of d. So here first I'll write what they are giving. Half of alle read matta barita hogana. You have the charges q1 is equal to 6 microcoulomb and q2 is equal to 9 microcoulomb. They are separated by a distance of, so you have both the positive charges, they are separated by a distance of d. Yes, here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು +6 ಇದೆ, ಇದು +9 ಇದೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? There will be the force of repulsion. Yes, so there will be the force of repulsion. Next part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, when a charge of -3 coulomb is given to both the spheres, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ +6 ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ -3 ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕೂಲಮ್, ಮತ್ತೆ +9 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ -3 ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕೂಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕೂಲಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ F is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. ಕೂಲಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು 1/4 pi epsilon naught ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Q1 Q2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ it is 6 into 9. It is 6 into 9 divided by d square. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲವರು separated by the distance of d ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ d square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. This is my equation 1. Don't simplify, keep it as it is. I'll write equation 2. Equation 2 ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? You are giving plus 6 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. So already you have plus 6. Again you are giving minus 3. So plus 6 minus 3 is how much? It is plus 3. Correct? Next, already ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ plus 9 ಇದೆ second ಬಾಡಿಗೆ. ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ minus 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ plus 9 minus 3 it is how much? It is plus 6. So this is your new charge. Therefore, the Coulomb's law F dash is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Now what is Q1, Q2 value? It is 3 and this is 6 upon d square. So what is the new force they are asking? ನಾನು ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. That is F dash divided by F is equal to. So F dash ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ equation 2. So divide F dash by F. What is F dash? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 3 into 6 divided by d square whole divided by F value. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 6 into 9 divided by d square. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. d square ಕೂಡ cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we are left with only F dash by F is equal to 3 into 6 divided by 6 into 9. So 6 will go, 3 ones are 3 3s are. ಹೌದಾ? Therefore F dash by F is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore F dash is equal to F divided by 3. So option D is correct here. So 9 students have replied AD anta. So it is option D, that is F divided by 3. Yes, is it clear, students? So see, just I'll repeat once. You have the two spheres of charge plus 6 microcoulomb and plus 9 microcoulomb. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದ್ರದ್ದು 6 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದ್ರದ್ದು 9 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. They are separated by some distance. As both are plus charges, ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, there will be the force of repulsion. Yes. So now I am giving minus 3 microcoulomb to both the bodies. So 6 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ plus 6 minus 3 plus 3 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಡೆಗೆ plus 9 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ plus 9 minus 3 it will be plus 6. So if I simplify, the new charge is plus 3 coulomb and plus 6 coulomb. So according to Coulomb's law, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ first equation ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. So Q1 Q2 first ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 9 ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Equation 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, after giving 3 microcoulomb, what is the new charge? So it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 3 into 6 divided by d square. So divide both the equation, cancel the same terms, you will get F dash is equal to F by 3. Is it clear? Okay, shall I go for the next question? I hope everyone is copying. Simply note ಕೂತ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You have to copy the answers and the question as well. So I'll go for the next question now, that is if there is only one type of charge in the universe, then so you have only one type of charge in the universe. What are the options they are giving? See, that is the line integral of E ds is not equal to 0 on any surface. The line integral of E ds, E dot ds could not be defined. The line integral of E ds is equal to infinity if charge is inside. The line integral of E ds is equal to 0 if charge is outside, and Q by epsilon naught if charge is inside. This is given from the Gauss law. See, no, it is wrong. So almost 70-75 students are there. Ellaru ondu answer ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ at least one will be correct. So that is option D, Meghna, Spandana, Tanya. Yes. Yes, option D is correct here. See, from Gauss law, you Gauss law the lenanta kalitira. That is the electric flux is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Howda? So that is the Gauss law statement. Electric flux is equal to Q divided by epsilon naught. That's right here. According to Gauss law, we have the electric flux is equal to Q divided by epsilon naught. So this electric flux is defined as the product of, it is the line integral of product of electric field and the area is equal to Q divided by epsilon naught. So this is for what? This is when the charge is inside. This is when the charge is inside. When the charge is outside, here this product will be 0. Therefore, option D is correct. Here now ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ explain ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಏನಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ whether it is a single charge or double charge, it will always produce the electric field. Option C ಬರಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, if you have the single charge also, ಇದು electric fields outward directional produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. If you have single negative charge also, it will produce the electric field lines. So electric field lines ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು single charge ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ it will produce the electric field lines. Therefore option C, B, A ಬರಲ್ಲ. Only the valid option is option D. Why? According to the Gauss law. Yes. So option D is correct here. Okay. Then the next question. Yes. So the next question is, an electron of mass m, charge E, falls through a distance h meter in a uniform electric field E, then time of fall is. So you have T is equal to. So time of fall calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. How to calculate the time of fall? We have three equations of motion. U is equal to V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Okay. According to that, we can write here. So the three equations alli namgili time bekanta andre either I can take V is equal to U plus AT or I can take S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Howda? If I take the first equation, V is equal to U plus AT nan tagondre, so Muruli is getting option D. Let's check. Okay. So here, if I take option A, question A, if I take here, question A alli enagutte, ನಮಗೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಆ ತರ ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ S is equal to UT plus half AT square. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ h ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ S ಅನ್ನ h ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. When the object is falling from the height, the initial velocity will be 0. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು height ಇಂದ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, the initial velocity will be 0 plus 1 divided by 2, this acceleration into t square. So I require t square here andre t bekagide. So 2 I'll transfer 2h anta agutte, it will be at square. Therefore t square is equal to 2h. Illi multiplication alli ide, therefore illi bandaga denominator alli barutte. Hauda? 2h divided by a into t square, or t is equal to, so t is equal to under root of 2h by a. Adre namge illi 2h by a anta yavadu kottilla. So ಒಂದಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, under root ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are getting the answer. So either we may get option A or option C. ಹೌದಾ? So option A ಬರುತ್ತೆ, C ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Let us see. We know that ನಾವು last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು substitution ಅನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, that is F is equal to m into A is equal to F divided by m. So acceleration ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು force ಮತ್ತೆ A mass value ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Next, the electric field is given by force per unit charge Therefore, force is equal to electric field into charge. But charge or electron anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ electron charge E ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, small e. So it is E into E is equal to F. So substitute F is equal to ಏನಿದೆ E into E divided by M, which is equal to A. So go on substituting in the equation. Is equal to under root of 2S divided by E by M. So M ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, E ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. So it is option A. So let's see who all got the correct answer. So Chitra, Meghana, Sushmita, Gautam, Sapana, Ankita. Artha aita? Is it clear, everyone? So it is option A. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. I'll go for the next question. The next question is, if EAX and EEQ represents electric field at a point on the axial and equatorial line of a dipole, if points are at a distance r from the center of the dipole, for r is much greater than a. So electric field along the axial line ಮತ್ತೆ along the equatorial line relation ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, many students know the answer. That is option C. Yes, it is correct. But I don't know how many of you know exactly. So I'll show for the students who don't know the answer. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ hint ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. So this is the dipole here. This is plus Q. This is minus Q. ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Dipole ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. If I consider the point P here, this is called as along the axial line. The electric field for the axial line, it is given by 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2p divided by r cube. 2p divided by r cube. This is for what? This is for the axial line. Similarly, if I consider the dipole plus Q minus Q and the point P is here, so this is called as equatorial plane. ಹೌದಾ, ನೀವು ಇದು derivation school college ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. The electric field due to the equatorial plane, it is given by 1/4 pi epsilon naught minus P divided by r cube. I hope you remember this. Actually denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ r square plus a square raised to 3/2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But here we don't require that. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ. R is much greater than A ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ we can take only r cube. A is not required ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes. So this is axial line relation. Equation 1 ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Equation 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ equatorial line equation ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So ನಾನು equation 1 ಅನ್ನು consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. That is the electric field along the axial line is equal to, see what it is, 1/4 pi epsilon naught P by r cube. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ equatorial line ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I'll take that minus here. Next axial line ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. So 2 ಬಿಟ್ಟು except this 2, whatever the term it is there, this is nothing but the equatorial. So option C is the correct option here. I hope you understood this. See equation 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. So 1/4 pi epsilon naught P divided by r cube. So this entire term is nothing but what? Equatorial. E of electric field due to the equatorial line. So that is E of equatorial line minus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. So 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Minus equatorial ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore it is minus 2 into equatorial. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. 3 point charges of plus 2q plus comma plus 2q and minus 4q are placed at the corners A, B and C of an equatorial triangle ABC. Of side X, the magnitude of the electric dipole moment of the system is, yes, so we need to calculate the magnitude of the electric dipole moment of the system is. So here we have the formula, that is for the equatorial triangle A, B, C, we have the charges plus 2q and here it is plus 2q and here it is minus 4q. They are separated by the distance of x, x and x. Next, here whatever this equatorial triangle is there, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, P is equal to under root of P1 square plus P2 square plus 2P1 into P2 cos theta. So ನೀವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So that is under root of P1 square plus P2 square plus 2P1 P2 into cos theta. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು P1 P2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತೆ cos theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. That is, so here what is dipole moment formula? Dipole moment is given by, it is the product of any one of the charge and the distance between them. ಹೌದಾ? So here this is P1 square will be Q, that is charge ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 2q ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, so ಇದು 2q into x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is 2qx whole square. Yes. So P1 is equal to, ಅಂದ್ರೆ P1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ dipole moment ಆಯ್ತಾ. So dipole moment formula ಪ್ರಕಾರ it will be 2q into x whole square plus P2 is also same, 2q into x whole square plus 2 into P1 into P2. So P1 into P2 is what? 2qx into 2qx then cos theta. So equatorial triangle alli theta value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? For equatorial triangle, what is the value of theta? It is cos 60. Yes, correct, very good. So it is cos 60. So take here cos 60. Okay, now you simplify this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2qx square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 square is 4, q square x square plus again, so this is 4 q square x square plus, so this entire it is under root ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8, so 8 q square x square. What is cos 60? It is 1 by 2, correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 1s 2 4s ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಈಗ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 4 q square x square plus 4 q square x square plus 4 q square x square. Yes, this is the net dipole moment is equal to, everything is under root of 4q square x square, 4q square x square plus 4q square x square. So what is 4 plus 4 plus 4? It is nothing but 12 here. ಹೌದಾ? Therefore P is equal to under root of 12 x square, 12 q square x square. ಹೌದಾ? So 12 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? 4 3s are 12 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋ. So 4 ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 root 3 2x ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It will be 2 root 3. Yes, so it is 2 root 3 q into x. A, yes, correct. So Spandana, Suchitra. Okay, clear students? So formula is the net dipole moment is given by under root of P1 square plus P2 square plus 2 P1 P2 cos theta. So P1 P2 value 2 QX ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ cos 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ under root of 12 Q square X square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So Q square X square ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ರೂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ QX ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 12 ಇದ್ದು ರೂಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 2 root 3 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Okay. So I hope everyone is getting the answer. Then the next question. The magnitude of point charge due to which the electric field 30 centimeter away has a magnitude 2 Newton per Coulomb will be. Yes, the magnitude of the point charge ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Use the formula, the electric field intensity. So the electric field intensity is equal to formula ಏನಿದೆ 1 epsilon naught. It is Q upon R square. ಹೌದಾ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Therefore Q is equal to E into. So 4 epsilon naught denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ into ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ into R square. Yes. So substitute all the values. E value is how much? It is 2 into. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 upon 4 epsilon naught ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟಂತ ಇದೆ 9 into 10 raised to 9. So therefore
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪಾಠ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂತ, ಏನದು ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟ
ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋಡು, ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್.
Students, don't unmute yourself. Okay. See here, 1.4 epsilon naught value is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Therefore 4 epsilon naught value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 divided by 9 into 10 raised to 9 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So substitute here, that is 1 divided by 9 into 10 raised to 9 into R square value. So R value ಎಷ್ಟಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 30 centimeter ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So meter ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 to the power minus 2 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and it is whole square which is equal to Q. So simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Here it is 2 into 30 into 30 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by 9 into 10 raised to 9. Yes. So 3 3s are, it is 9, 900 it is. So it is 9 1s are, 9 10s are. So 2 10s are, it is 20. 20 into 10 to the power ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಇದೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ 9 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 9 ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 4. So what is minus 9 minus 4? Minus 13. Sorry, this is 200 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 200 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is 200 into 10 raised to minus 13. So if I shift, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 10 to the power minus 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, 10 to the power minus 11 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into 10 raised to minus 11 Coulomb. That is option A is the correct answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? If you are not understanding, you can tell in the chat box to repeat me. So here the electric field intensity is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. Next, I require Q value. Or il question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ the magnitude of the point charge ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So Q is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ E into 4 pi epsilon naught into R square. So E value ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 4 pi epsilon naught ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 raised to 9. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4 pi epsilon naught ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 divided by 9 into 10 raised to 9. So 1 divided by 9 into 10 raised to 9 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. R value 30 centimeter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 whole square. Yes. So this 2 as it is 30 into 30 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by 9 into 10 raised to 9. So ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 200 into 10 raised to minus 13 ಆಯ್ತು. So again options ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 to the power minus 13 ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ decimals ಅನ್ನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 10 to the power minus 11 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ A ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Is it clear everyone? If anybody is having any doubt, any question, you can ask. I hope you are copying the answers simultaneously along with me. Then only you can cover it. Okay, one more last question we will see for today's class. Okay. So the next question is, an infinitely long thin straight wire has uniform charge density of 1 by 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. So charge density value which is given for the infinitely long straight conductor. So for the infinitely long straight conductor, the charge density is given by lambda is equal to 1 by 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. Yes. What is the magnitude of electric field for the distance of 20 centimeter? So this 20 centimeter, I'll convert it in terms of meter. 20 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter antagutte. Aita? So for the electric field intensity for the long straight wire, it is given by lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon naught into R. Yes.
काय कर रहे हो? अशिता ही लास्ट क्लास हो जा.
We require E value. होगा. So E value na ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ value substitute ಮಾಡಿ calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. You can substitute lambda is equal to, it is 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. Next. So 2 pi epsilon naught is there. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ epsilon naught value ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Epsilon naught is given by 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12. But calculation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? If I substitute epsilon naught, 2 pi ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ multiplication ನಮಗೆ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So to make it easy, what I'll do here, I'll multiply and divide the equation by 2. So multiply by 2 ಅಂದಾಗ 2 into lambda ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Divide by 2 ಇಂದಾಗ already 2 ಇದೆ. So 2 into 2 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is 4 pi epsilon naught into R. So ಈಗ ನೀವು substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So 2 into 1 by 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. This whole divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. It is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into R value. It is 20 into 10 raised to minus 2. Simplify ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ನೀವೀಗ? Yes, students, simplify it. All the values are written on the slide. You can substitute, you can calculate. Multiply and divide by 2, then the calculation will be little easy. So Lalitya is getting option D. Vinushri is also getting option D. D or A? There is a lot of difference between D and A. Yes? Sure. So you can see this, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 by 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. We will get electric field is equal to, it is 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 18 into 20. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. I think we should get the option A, students. A ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Check ಮಾಡಿ. You should get the option A. Anybody is getting the answer A? Meghna, Dipti, Spandana, you are saying option A. Some are saying option D. Yes. So check. You should get the answer A. Aita. Okay. If you are getting, then it is good. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೆಸನ್ electric potential and capacitor start ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? I'll repeat it once again. I'll repeat. Electric field and capacitor. Sorry, electric potential and capacitor. So yes, start. No. Okay. Some are saying half started. Okay. Because our next topic is electric field and electric potential and the capacitor. On this lesson, you want few more questions, or we will start the next lesson? Started and finished. Yes, on this lesson, you want more questions, few more questions. Matte questions beka athwa next topic ge hogana. We will do some more topics. Okay, few more questions. Okay, next week alli mattond class navu idan madana. Adar nanತರ next topic le start madidre. Okay na? So some students are asking to repeat this answer. Yes, yes, okay. So that is what you have the infinitely long. See, Gauss law the new application study ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 3 application ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ for the infinitely long straight conductor ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು equation ಇದೆ? That is E is equal to lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught into R. ಹೌದಾ? So ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 pi epsilon naught value substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ lengthy calculation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? I have multiplied and divided the equation by 2. So multiply and divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 into lambda ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 into already ಇದೆ. So 2 into 2 4 pi lambda ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, if I cancel this 2, this is 2 ones are 2 fours are. Lambda value 1 by 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So substitute that. So 2 ones are 2 fours ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 pi epsilon naught ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 9 into 10 raised sorry. Substitution ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ mistake ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. The 9 into 10 raised to 9 should come in the numerator itself, not in the denominator. So here it is. I'll just write that once again. Electric field is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught lambda 2 lambda divided by R. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 2 into lambda value is 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. It is the whole divided by namga R baratte, that is 20 into 10 raised to minus 2. Yes, I think Chandana asked to repeat this question. Yes, so substitution now ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ mistake ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Denominator ಅಲ್ಲ numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ 9 into 10 raised to 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now you people check option A will come. Yes, students. So we will continue in the next class with few more questions on the same topic. Thank you.